Morning, dear students. I am Mahesh Das Mahant, your English teacher. Today we are going to study Honeycomb book, chapter 3. Okay, pay attention and yes, listen carefully. Dear students, have you ever read a comic book? Okay, have you ever read a comic book? A comic book contains stories told mainly through the pictures. Dear students, the Gopal and the Hilsa Fish also is a comic book. Okay, so you will be enjoy this story. Okay, so let's start to read this story. Dear students, what are you seeing in this picture? Okay, let's just see. Okay, it was the region. It was the season for Hilsa fish. Fishermen could think of nothing but Hilsa fish. Dear students, in this picture, all the sailors and fishermen are catching fish because it is the time for catching fish. Okay, they are only thinking about fish, Hilsa fish. Okay, in this second picture, dear students, we see that come by the price of Hilsa is down today. Okay, it means everywhere in the market there is a lot of Hilsa fish. Okay, so the price of the Hilsa fish is down. Okay, and they are calling by its sell by this Hilsa fish price is low, price is low. Okay, now is another picture. We see that how much did you pay for that Hilsa? And someone is asking to a shopkeeper, how much would you pay for this Hilsa fish? Okay, in this way, everywhere talking of Hilsa fish is generally okay. And now in another, you wouldn't believe if it sold you. Okay, dear students, everywhere is talking of Hilsa fish. In the court, king's court also talking about Hilsa fish. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught it was. Some courtiers said to the king that about Hilsa fish, a very huge Hilsa fish I have caught. Okay, now the king is called the courtiers, okay, and said in the third picture, stop, okay, stop. Are you a courtier or fisherman? And he rebuked and scolded the courtiers. Okay, the courtiers became silent. Okay, and now in the after some time, the kings realized his mistake and said, sorry, I am sorry, I lost my temper. It is the time season for Hilsa fish. Okay, and the king felt sorry for his miss talking. Okay, and in now another question. This is a king, and this person's name is Gopal. Okay, so then not even Gopal can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish, not even for the 5 minutes. And king is saying that only Gopal is the person who can stop talking about Hilsa fish. Okay, then Gopal said that, oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. Gopal agreed he can stop talking about Hilsa fish. Okay, and he accept. Then let me see you buy a huge hilsa and bring it to me in the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. And as the king giving a task to the uh, Gopal to buy a big hilsa fish, and no one would talk about your hilsa fish. Okay, so Gopal I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. Gopal accepted the challenge and then went his home. Okay, now in another picture, we see that why is your face half seven? And his wife asked to Gopal, why have you half seven your beard? Okay, and Gopal's reply is, I am dressing up to my a fish. I am going to buy a fish and I am dressing for that, he is saying. Okay. Now in another picture, we say that his wife's questions again, what's the matter with you? Why are you dressing, smearing yourself with S? In this picture, his wife is asking again, why are you utilizing yes in your face? Okay, I told you I am dressing for up to buy a hilsa fish, and Gopal is also replying with the same answer that I am dressing for myself to buy a hilsa fish. Okay, now in another picture we see that listen to me, please, you can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. What are you up to? And in these questions his wife asked that don't go to out with these rags. Rags means torn clothes. Okay, and with half seven beard and s utilized in her face. Okay, how many times must I tell you when I am going to buy a huge hilsa fish? And his question is same, I am going to buy a hilsa fish, so you can't ask me. Okay, again and again. And now in another questions, it has happened to him, he has gone mad. And his wife said that my husband has been gone mad. Okay, now we see in another picture, we see that some child is saying that see, the man is comical or mad. Now another person said that the person is very mysterious. Okay, now another said that the person gone has mad. Okay, madman. Okay, and now in this way he went to the market and sold a huge hilsa fish. Okay, and come to the palace. But in the gate, the guard asked asked that, where are you going? And Gopal said that I am going to meet the palace to the king. But guards stopped him, and he started dancing. Okay, dancing and speaking, singing loudly. And the king asked, what is going on there? Who is dancing and speaking and laughing? The guard said that someone is dancing and want to see you. Okay, the king ordered to let him in, and after seeing the Gopal, king said that, are you Gopal? Why are you come in such a dress? And he remembered his task and reward Gopal with money, and said, you are very, very intelligent and wise. Okay, you have done your duty. Okay, in this way no one talked during the bringing the huge hilsa fish. So this is the main, okay, to attention, to fetch attention for other sides. Okay, so dear students, I have explained you this comic poem chapter very well. If you feel any difficulty, you can contact me without any hesitations. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.